In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the ingredient comparison report feature on FoodLabelMaker. This tool helps you make informed decisions about your recipes by comparing the nutritional value and cost of different ingredients side by side. First, log into your FoodLabelMaker account. On the left-hand side, click on Custom Reports, then select Ingredient Comparison. You can select up to 3 ingredients to compare from our database. For this example, let's add white chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, and milk chocolate chips. Once your ingredients are selected, the report will automatically populate with a detailed comparison. This will help you compare your ingredients side by side to make the better choice for your recipe. You'll also see any allergens that are present to ensure your product labels are accurate and compliant. This report is a valuable tool helping you optimize recipes. It's one of the many features we offer to streamline your workflow and ensure your labels are always accurate.